due to accumulation of phlegm in throat. If you are having trouble breathing or feel something is stuck in your throat, it is called congestion. Frozen phlegm in the throat is also known as mucus. Accumulation of phlegm in the throat is a big problem. Every person needs to clear his throat often. The main symptoms of phlegm accumulation in the throat are runny nose, fever, heaviness in the throat and a burning or itching sensation. These conditions cause discomfort in the throat. This is not a serious problem, but if this problem persists for a long time, then it can cause many problems related to breathing. In other words, phlegm or mucus is a type of fluid produced in the body by the lungs or lower respiratory system. If it is produced more than normal, then it can be a sign of some disease. Mucus or phlegm accumulated in the throat may contain viruses, bacteria or dead cells. In most people this is a temporary problem. However, for some people it becomes a persistent problem. With better treatment one can get relief for a short period of time. Symptoms of mucus in throat. The mucus accumulated in the throat is also known as phlegm. When excess mucus accumulates in our body, it creates a lot of blockage. The mucous membrane protects the respiratory system and forms mucus to support it. This membrane is present in the mouth, nose, sinus, throat and lungs. Accumulation of phlegm in the throat causes cough, which increases at night. Phlegm causes a feeling of something stuck in the throat, which causes symptoms. Itching in the throat, bad breath, increase in cough at night, pain in the throat, repeated coughing and spitting. Habit of clearing throat, frequently nausea. Reasons for formation of phlegm in throat. Generally, the problem of mucus in the throat arises when there is a change in the surrounding environment. The number one reason for mucus in the throat is allergy. Let us tell you that a normal healthy person needs normal amount of mucus. But this mucus in large quantities causes problems for people. There can be the following reasons for excess mucus in the throat. Allergy, any kind of irritation in nose, throat, lungs. Digestive problems, contraceptive and blood pressure medicines, lung diseases like pneumonia etc. infections. Chronic respiratory problems like COPD, pregnancy. More spicy food. Remedies for mucus in throat. We can get rid of mucus in throat with the help of some of the following home remedies, and avoid problems. These include the following measures. Drinking adequate amount of water. In case of phlegm in the throat, the amount of water in the body decreases, due to which dry mucus is formed. In such a situation, drinking sufficient amount of water dilutes the phlegm in the throat and it comes out easily. Using a pillow under the head. The problem of phlegm in the throat often increases while sleeping at night. In this position you have to keep your head slightly higher than the body. By doing this the mucus moves downwards from the throat and respiratory tract. Avoiding caffeinated beverages and alcohol. Beverage products containing caffeine cause water loss in the body. It has a similar effect to alcohol. In such a situation, maintain distance from both. Gargle with salt water. You can gargle by adding some salt to 1 to 2 cups. This helps in loosening the phlegm in the throat due to allergies. Using eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is used to remove phlegm from the throat. Over-the-counter medications. If you have a lot of phlegm in your throat, you can loosen the phlegm by using over-the-counter medicine. Use of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus is an essential oil that loosens phlegm in the chest and throat, which makes it easier for phlegm to come out. Use of humidifier. Keeping the air at home clean helps in loosening phlegm. Vitamin C intake. It is believed that by taking more vitamin C in the initial stages of cold and cough, the duration of its symptoms can be reduced. Zinc. Studies have found that zinc has proved to be very useful for the prevention of cough. Fasting. Some people also believe that fasting has curative properties to prevent cough.